Come on. Let's go, guys. Ayan. Tour guide ba? Tour guide. Tour guide. Yes. It's more fun in the Philippines. Wow! Infinity pool. Ay, sorry po.
Sampai kinasal si Richie.
Ay, ewan ko lang po.
This is one of those special places here. But of course, this is only for members, no? This is the single infinity pool. And this is a real, as if you could sit
Single
down,
infinity pool.
this is a real infinity pool. Kasi if you look from here, kung nakaupo kayo, at
Ay, very relaxing. Busod bakla. Ay, saya. Tired, wala pang tulog.
Kung meron lang magandang sunlight, talagang blue lahat. Tapos kung titingnan nyo, talagang parang nag-aano sa sea. That's the true infinity pool. Otherwise, it's called an edge pool.
Nice.
This one is a true